Students, now let us look at the saving method. Saving method ज़्यादा use किया जाता है as compared to the sweeping method. We will take an example of it as well ताकि आपको उसके benefits वगैरह का पता चल सके. The points that offer the greatest savings when combined on the same route are those that are farthest from the depot and that are closest to each other. ये इसका principle है. The principle would be कि आपने उन दो points को combine करना है जो कि एक दूसरे के तो closest होंगे, लेकिन आपकी जो origin है या जो depot है उससे these will be the farthest one. So you will try to combine them and you will try to save the cost. तो ये saving method आपके पास इस चीज को शो करता है vehicle routing. So let us take an example. We will see a figure here. If you see this one, you have a stop. There are two stops, and there were two stop A and B as well. Notes there. ये आपका depot है, and there is like distance from 0 to A to 0 and 0 to A. It can be actually different. तो इसलिए दोनों इनको nodes को जो है वो show कर दिया गया है arcs की मदद से. Then similarly to point B, you have 0 to B and B to 0, your depot location. And there are two stops which are actually not being used. So initial routing would be, or the route distance would be D0A plus DA0 plus D0B plus DB0. So this is the initial routing. Yeah, that would be, it should go and come back, go and come back. So ये initial routing थी आपके पास. Then what you will actually do in the sweeping method, this figure will actually depict it. What is that? आपने क्या किया है? जो A और B था, which are actually closest to each other but farthest from the depot, आपने उन दोनों को combine कर दिया. वो कैसे? From D to A to B. So what actually happens, from D0 to A you are going there, but from A you are actually going to B. So you need to consolidate your shipment. आप उसको consolidate तो करेंगे, and you would be using the most the vehicle which you have, which has the most capacity, जो according to the guidelines थी इसकी heuristics में, आप उसे use कर रहे हैं, तो why not utilize it to TL rather than using it as LTL, less than truckload क्यों use करें? तो what will happen if you can consolidate? अगर आप consolidate कर सकते हैं तो what you will do, then you will have to move this distance and then from the distance from A to B, and then you will be moving back to the depot. So your route distance would here be D0A plus DAB plus DB0. In that case, you will be saving a lot of cost. हमने यहाँ पे अभी cost को consider तो नहीं किया, but intuitively the cost would be lesser. At the same time, आपके पास जो savings हैं वो ज़्यादा हैं. And we are considering under the condition that you can actually consolidate and you have the vehicles to actually consolidate your shipments. आप इस तरह अपने route को कर सकते हैं. तो saving is actually better than the sweeping method, has lower average error. इसके अंदर जो error की percentage है वो कम है. It works in most of the situations rather than जो आपके पास sweep method था, that actually works for some situations, और उसमें reliability जरा थोड़ी कम थी. Saving method has more reliability. एक बिल्कुल एक simple सी example लेके हमने उसको discuss किया. Good principle for constructing multiple stop routings. बहुत सारे routings जो हैं वो उसके multiple stops जो हैं वो बना सकते हैं. तो it's a better method, more reliable one than the sweeping method. Thank you.